Drones have become a staple for photographers and videographers, but they're also a lot of fun for casual users and families alike. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best drones on the market this year based on price versus performance, image quality, features, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want a great value drone, or you're looking for the absolute best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which drone will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Starting our list off is the DJI Mavic Mini, our choice for the best mini drone. Size is definitely one of DJI Mavic Mini's advantages. At just 249 grams, it comes under the 250 gram threshold requiring drones to be registered with the FAA. For those looking to venture into drones, this is a great option without the added hassles of registration. It's small, but it's jam-packed with great features, making it even more attractive for under $400. The Mavic Mini is packed with core features like 30-minute flight time, 2.5-mile HD video transmission, 3-axis gimbal holding a 2.7K camera, and a physical controller that works with both Android and iOS devices, offering a great drone experience. Once folded, the lightweight Mavic Mini is instantly portable and fits in the palm of your hand. The drone is well balanced and performs well even in high winds. The images are above par and capture 12-megapixel stills or spectacular 2.7K video, plus the Mavic Mini features automated presets, making it a great drone for beginners too. The Mavic Mini comes with a remote control that works with their DJI Fly app and is available for both Android and iOS. The remote itself is pretty basic with removable joysticks plus a control wheel. Additional settings and functions are available on the app. The Mavic Mini is able to communicate with the remote up to 2.5 miles barring any obstructions and comes with safety features to stabilize outdoor flight and an automated return-to-home function. There's also a Find My Drone option in the app should you need to retrieve the Mavic Mini after an unplanned landing. The biggest caveat for the Mavic Mini is the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors, which is especially useful for novice flyers. Check out the Mavic 2 Pro later in the video for its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. Intended as the drone for everyone, DJI's Mavic Mini hits the sweet spot of core features, build quality, and performance at an affordable price, making it a great choice for drone enthusiasts and novice flyers. Next, we have the Eachine E52 Max, our pick for the best cheap drone. The latest E52 Max is Eachine's most ambitious drone yet, offering 4K recording while keeping the price below $150, making it an affordable, incredible entry-level drone for hobbyists. The Eachine E52 Max serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. It bears a striking resemblance to the DJI Mavic Air, and although it's not quite on par with the Mavic Air, the E520S is only a quarter of the price, and you get stunning 4K aerial video footage. For beginners, the learning curve of the E52 Max is short, so you'll be able to enjoy the drone experience in no time. The flight performance is solid and stable even in windy conditions. There are several preset flight modes on their free Android or iOS app, including a Follow Me mode letting the drone follow you around giving you aerial selfies, and the first-person view feature can stream live video up to 270 yards. The remote control is comfortable to hold with a transmission range of around 330 yards. The Eachine E52 Max 4K camera captures vivid aerial videos and has a 120-degree field of view, giving you a wide angle to record sweeping videos. Unfortunately, the E520S doesn't come with a gimbal or software stabilization, but there is a 6-axis gyroscope within the drone that provides some stability during flight to minimize shakes. The 1200 mAh battery gives you a respectable 15 minutes of flight time, which is longer than most other drones in its price range. Where the Eachine E52 Max saves is in its overall build quality. It does feel like a cheaper drone with more softer plastic and not as smooth feelings versus some DJI option. But quality with filming and actually flying more than makes up for it. Although this is an entry-level drone that doesn't have the same build quality or features of other drones on this list. If you're eager to jump into the world of drones but don't want to spend a lot of money, you'll be more than surprised by the performance and video quality of the Eachine 52 Max. Next is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, our pick for the best overall drone. Coming in just under $1,750, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the best overall drones for those serious about their aerial video and photography, or drone enthusiasts wanting to invest in a solid performing prosumer drone. The Mavic 2 Pro features an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system with sensors in every direction that stops the drone from proceeding if an obstacle is detected. In most modes, the forward, rear, upward, and downward sensors are active at all times, but once it's switched to active track, the Mavic 2 Pro identifies and tracks a moving subject with side sensors enabled. It measures 3.3 by 3.6 by 8.4 inches and still very portable once folded down, but weighing in at about 2 pounds makes it heavy enough to require FAA registration for your Mavic 2 Pro. Performance and handling is stellar, and the ample battery gives you up to 31 minutes of flight time. As with other DJI drones, the Mavic 2 Pro works with the DJI Go 4 app, giving you control over the drone's camera and shows its point of view at 1080p quality. Mavic 2 Pro's 4K camera is also beyond its class, with the largest image sensor for any drone in its size bracket, capturing footage that is crisper than other 4K drones. Unlike most drones in its class, the Mavic 2 Pro uses a 1-inch image sensor to deliver true color and brilliantly detailed images, and captures 4K UHD footage at 10 megabytes per second. The remote control is similar to what you get with other Mavic models, and the Mavic 2 Pro matches the Air's 8GB capacity, and also has a microSD card slot. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a premium drone with incredible performance, a brilliant 4K camera, solid build, and an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system that is top in its class, making it one of the best drones for professionals, enthusiastic pilots, and hobbyists. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Up next is the DJI Mavic Air, our pick for a great value per dollar drone. DJI Mavic Air is like a hybrid of Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro, offering the best of both worlds for under $800. Making it perfect for those wanting to up their drone game, but are not ready to make a heavy financial commitment. Like the higher-ended Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic Air records incredible and dramatic 4K video up to 100 megabytes per second. With the Mavic Air, you get a slightly wider 24mm angle lens versus the Pro's 28mm, which is better for capturing sweeping landscapes. Its 32-megapixel spherical panoramic camera with CMOS sensor captures 12-megapixel stills. The gimbal design offers excellent stabilization to keep footage looking smooth and professional. It also comes with 8GB built-in storage, as well as a microSD card slot. The Mavic Air's performance isn't sacrificed. It's still top-notch and comes with the advanced pilot assistance system that enables obstacle avoidance. Unfortunately, unlike the Mavic 2 Pro, it doesn't cover you from the sides or top. The Mavic Air is still beginner-friendly, but also includes many of the functions and features of its higher-ended Mavic 2 Pro cousin. Coming in at 6.6 by 3.2 by 1.9 inches and 425 grams, which is tiny. If you stack about 5 iPhones on top of each other, that's about the size. The Mavic Air has the added bonus of better portability in a smaller, lighter package. The remote control is also thinner, but the downside is that it doesn't have a screen, so you'll have to use the DJI Go app on your phone to view the 720p resolution live feed. There's even a few unique features to the Mavic Air, like the new Smart Capture mode that allows you to control the drone with simple hand gestures. The Mavic Air is a feature-packed, robust drone in a very portable package. With 4K video and obstacle avoidance, the Mavic Air represents an excellent balance between portability, power, and price, making it an overall best drone for the money. Finally, we have the DJI Inspire 2, our pick for the best drone for professionals. If money is no object and you want one of the best drones available that delivers raw video captures at 5.2K quality with a superb build and top-end performance, then the DJI Inspire 2 is your natural choice for under $3,000. Keep in mind, the price tag doesn't include a camera. Depending on your requirements, there's different camera options. The video processing engine is built into the drone rather than the camera. The Inspire 2 captures breathtaking footage at an incredible 5.2 resolution that supports RAW as well as other professional editing formats like the Cinema DNG or Apple ProRes. In addition, the ability to use different lenses opens up many creative options. The DJI Inspire 2 has a superior build made with carbon fiber material for the arms and magnesium aluminum composite for the body. It features a forward-facing first-person view camera and a variety of countermeasures as part of its obstacle avoidance system. The dual battery setup gives you over 25 minutes of flight time and is self-heating to allow it to operate in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Performance is premium as expected. The 4 rotors allow for cruising speeds of 40 miles per hour, up to 69 miles per hour on the spot configuration. Transmission is solid up to a half mile. As a professional use drone, the Inspire 2 supports 2 remotes, one for the pilot and a second for the camera operator. The Inspire 2 uses a different app than the regular app for other DJI drones, allowing it to import flight logs, and features several automated flight modes with Spotlight Pro that tracks moving objects with precise accuracy, as well as other dedicated features and settings. For professionals and diehards alike demanding premium build and performance, the DJI Inspire 2 outperforms competitors in almost every regard, making it an easy choice if you're looking for the ultimate drone that money can buy. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.